Prime Bird Streets location. Situated in the prime location of the Bird Streets, 1435 Tanager Way enjoys a vantage point that provides sweeping views of Los Angeles, including iconic landmarks like the Hollywood sign and the downtown skyline. Architectural marvel. This residence is an architectural marvel, boasting a contemporary design that seamlessly blends with the natural landscape. The clean lines, expansive glass walls, and use of natural materials create a sense of harmony with the surroundings.